Namaste viewers. Today we are going to start with the definitions of about the set. Here on the screen I have written set is an well-defined collection of objects. Now we are going to see what is the means of collection. Yes, what is the means of collection? Collection is an an aggregate aggregate of things or objects. Now aggregate of things and objects. Now you can think what is the means of aggregate. What is the means of aggregate? Aggregate means a class of things. A class of things. Yes, students, you see, aggregate means a class of things. Again, what is the means of class? Class means, what is the means of class? Class means a collection. Class means a collection. Now, so the set we can say, set is a synonyms of the word synonyms means it is the same meaning of class, aggregate and collection So in the first attempt we try to define about the definition of set. Now peoples, we come to that next point. Here we want to define what is the means of, in the same definition the word objects is there. Objects means the member of the collection or member of the class, member of the collection. This word member we used the term elements. Keep remember this word elements. What is that? We use the term elements. Now, and here also one more word is there, well defined means each of the member or each element of the class or the set, each element of the class should be distinct. Yes. Now how are they distinct? That will be defined with you with the help of some examples. Yes, now we are taking some examples now. The examples of set. Now you see students, the example of some example. If I say the collection of first 5 prime numbers. This is one example of set. In your textbook, so many examples are there. Now I'm trying to define what is the means of well defined, and that so many things of the which is in the definitions. Now you see, when you write down these collections, these are two, comprised of 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11. So these are distinct. These members are distinct. If I say what is the first prime number, we can say 2. We will not say other one. So it is called distinct. And this is a collection, or this is a class of members. And this is the aggregate of them. What is we are considering here? What is that we are considering? First prime numbers and nothing else. So this is an example of say. Thank you for today.